Hi friends, it's Julie. Welcome to 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, Series 11, and today is day number 5. Today's sketch is by Katie Scott, and if you're interested in having the sketch up on your computer, please head over to Christy's Beautiful Life Facebook group, and she'll have it posted over there. But for today, I'm going to work here, and I've got a ton of scraps I'm going to use. The sketch is actually a 2-photo sketch, so I have my 2 photos here, and then I have all of these scraps because it has like a sunburst pattern down in one corner, and so that came with one of the kits that I have added in, so I'm going to fussy cut around that, I think. And then these are all the scraps that I have pulled in. I have used them all in days past. Anywho, so I have the lemon paper that I think I'm going to use for cutting up some embellishments, and then I have just a background piece of cardstock. I have pulled in some additional tags. These are ones that I have punched out previously with some of the 6x8 papers that I have. Anywho, so I don't know which size I want to use, so I pulled both sizes. And then I pulled in a couple of pocket page cards. And this leftover bit, I don't know if I'm going to use any of that, but we'll see. Also pulled in washi tape, 2 different ones, the scallop and the scallop. Both of these are Felicity Jane. This one I think I bought randomly, and this one came with the Hannah kit in 2020. Yes. Anywho, so this is where I'm starting. Oh, let me show you. I am possibly going to use some of these bits and pieces in here, and maybe a tab or 2 from this pile, and then I've pulled in my green scraps in order to use this die set. It's a Stampin' die set to make some leafy embellishments, if you will, and you can see what they look like there. There's a better close-up. I don't care if I do the stamps on them or not, just the leafy shapes I think will work well. So we'll see what I can get done with these. Anywho, give me a second, I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 5, and let me show you what I did not use. I used the die cut, the dies that I pulled out, and I just cut out tons and tons of these leafy embellishments out of my scraps. You can see there, I have a ton of them, and that's okay because I will continue to use them in different projects. I have no problems with that. I had that big piece of paper that had July on it. I fussy cut that out, and I didn't end up using that. And then the tags that I had, I ended up using the smaller ones, so I have the larger ones still. I have this one that I did not use, and then I pulled in this piece that I did not use, and here's a couple of scraps that I did not use. So overall, I mean, I used a ton of stuff, but I didn't use those few little things. My scrap bag is much thinner. I only used the pattern paper. I did not use any of the cardstock. I fussy cut some of the lemons out of the lemon paper, and I have some of those left over. Here are all of my scraps that I have left, and I'm not quite ready to throw them out just yet because I might find a need for them in doing more layouts where I need just a little sliver of this or a little sliver of that. And then of course the lemon paper. Both the washi tapes I used. I pulled in these 2 sets of enamel dots, and I used both of them. Well, these are dewdrops and these are enamel dots. I used both of those. I pulled this font in for my title, and I used a tab from here. I used a couple of lemons and then one little leafy piece from here. And here is the layout that I created. My title is Happy Guys. I use the tags under each little cluster here. I use the leaves that I punched out in multiple colors all around. I used the lemons in each cluster. I cut off that tab This was one journal card and or pocket page card. It had another piece, but I cut it down. So I put the remember up here, and then I put my journaling down here, and then of course the other piece went into the leftover bin. I will have close-ups of this layout at the end of the video if you're interested. Yeah. I would love it if you guys, if you like how this turned out, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up on my video. That always helps me out and gets my video out for other people to see who might be interested in seeing layouts made from stash. Anywho, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.